What's up, you guys? It's Jake back with another video for you. But before we dive into this one, let's answer that important question first. How many cup holders do you actually need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 is the correct number of cup holders.
But Jake, why do you need all these cup holders if you only hold 4 people in here?
Because you, that's why.
Well, you know what? I'm mad at you then.
Okay, let's begin by installing these rare, non-original factory interior pieces. So chances are that your Baja or base model Outback came with an interior bezel that looked like this. And your premium model Outback or Legacies came with something that looked like this. These ones come in black and wood grain trim, but I thought the black would look better, so I went with that. It's not much, but who doesn't love extra features? Start by grabbing the interior trim piece for your shifter. Just give it a light tug backwards and it'll pop loose. This piece is only held on by these 4 metal retaining clips. There's going to be 2 Phillips head screws right here and here. Pull those out and the pocket comes free. Next, push down on this tab right here and you'll be able to slide the ashtray free. Then the center bezel is held on just like the first one. Start at the bottom and just give it light tugs and work your way all around until it just pops free. Oh, also don't forget to unplug the wires to your cigarette lighter. Pretty important. So way back there you can see this little U-shaped tab. Every Subaru dashboard came with one of these brackets so that you could install your cup holders. But for some reason, the Subaru Bajas never got the cup holder bezel. So the worst part is trying to align the holder into the existing slot. And that being said, it's not too bad at all. Just give it a couple wiggles back and forth and it'll eventually find its way home. Once that's seated properly, just go ahead and press all the way around this new piece until it's clipped in place. Remember how I told you it was important to unplug your wires? Yeah, don't forget to plug those back in, and you'll have to pull the piece off again. We're going to slide the ashtray back in. Then put the pocket in and screw that back down. Once we're all finished up, we're going to put the shift bezel back on and call the front good. This one right here is the other non-original interior piece. So on the Bajas, it's just a blank plate. But you can see on the Legacy wagons, you get these 2 extra cup holders and an extra ashtray. Fun little Easter egg sticker right here. You can see that it says wagon in parentheses, meaning the Outback, and that it was not intended for the Baja. To install the rear plate, all you have to do is remove the 2 Phillips head screws that hold the console lid on. With those removed, you can tilt the lid forward and remove it. Pull back on the rear plate and you can see that it has 4 hooks that hold it in place. It's really a simple little thing, but you need it because you don't have it. I bought these from a friend in the Subaru Baja community. If you want to get yourself a set, they're pretty common on eBay by searching 2000 Subaru Outback cup holders. It should be like the first thing to pop up. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content from me and George, do us a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. We have a lot more videos to share with you guys, so stay tuned and thanks again for watching.